time to put the potatoes in their tub, and we're actually going to experiment with one of them. And this is an old something plastic bottle jug thing. I've cut the bottom out. Plan is to wedge this in the plant pot, and as you're meant to cover potatoes as they grow, we'll keep adding soil and hopefully be able to lift this out, and then all the potatoes will come out the bottom. Fingers crossed. But first, more soil. I'm gonna have some sore arms after shaking this. What have you found?
It's a little caterpillar just in the soil over here, little green one. Pretty cool.
Done. Ready to plant some potatoes. It's always nice to sift.
Okay, so we've got all this really nice compost here. What we're going to do, fill this bucket. It used to be an old oil drum from my work. I'm a chef, by the way. Put a bit of the compost on the bottom. Now you don't want to do too much. The potatoes will keep growing up. And I'm not sure if you've grown potatoes before, but the more they grow up, the more you have to put soil on them, or you can put this leaf mulch. We've got a load of leaf mulch from the local woods here. And that's perfect as well, because it gives a bit more room for the potatoes to grow out. Boom. And the potatoes are looking pretty nice. You can see it was probably about 2 weeks ago we posted the video where we showed us actually planting these. Looking pretty good. I'm just going to try and take them out quite carefully. Look at the roots on them already. It's 2 weeks, guys. They grow crazy. Little worm in there. But yeah, just gonna rest them like this. I'm gonna get 2 in here. Like I was saying, guys, always check the bottom of your pots. Oh, there's 2 slugs right there, and some crazy beetle thing. Pretty good in there. Just chuck a bit more soil around them. Don't worry about if there's a little bit of soil on top, they'll just keep growing up. So obviously we just got to water them in and they're good to go. Not sure where they're going to live yet. I think the idea is over here, mate. Good. Feels good actually getting stuff planted and like away, just let it do its thing now. But yeah, see you in the next episode, guys.